For all of us, like we want to be good leaders, and we always think that we are good human beings and good leaders always. But then it was an eye opener for all of us. We know the pain points. So the best part for the MSLA is like, and also this workshop is like, you have this definite things. What exactly can you do? Like as Siri mentioned, you want to improve, but then you don't know how and where to start with. So this is like properly quantified, and you can literally do one by one attributes, and you can really work on it. So that's the best part of this workshop, and definitely got to know many of these people. I mean, I think I'm seeing all of them for the first time. So it was a great workshop. Thank you, Madana. Thank you, Madana.
Hi all. First of all, thank you for arranging this session for us. It was wonderful and active participation from all of us, and we have lot of takeaways and a lot of learning from this event. And first we will think about their pain points, the team members' pain points, and from there we will think and we will work on that. Then, as everyone mentioned, the MSLA report, I didn't think that is my area of improvement. That also eye opener. So I will work on that. I will arrange sessions or trainings for them and make them empowered. And thank you once again for this opportunity. Looking forward to next session.